Hello friends, welcome. Today we are discuss about Indian history. This class is specially for standard 9 and 10. I am Urmila Gurude. Now start from Indus Valley culture up to the present days. Means here Indian history includes Indus Valley civilization to present days culture. This is a big history and very interesting also. So the first culture we see here, Indus Valley culture, and this culture starts from 2500 BC to 1500 BC. In Marathi we can call it Sindhu Sanskriti. Indus Valley civilization means Sindhu Sanskriti. This period was very developed period. That early age means are having their own homes. So build up that homes, they are doing different types of experiments in soil. Means they made soil bricks, and after that they are started sculptures. Sculptures are made of different mediums, especially terracotta, then bronze metals, pottery also done by them, jewelry also done by them, mother goddesses also done in terracotta, priest torso is half in size, and dancing girl bronze metal molded statue is smaller but it is in full size. This valley culture also develops great cities. For example, public bathrooms. They are very big in size, well developed. Some steps are there, middle empty space are there, then changing rooms. So we can say that Indus Valley culture is a very developed culture. After that, Mauryan rulers are there. So in Mauryan Empire, pillar inscriptions are started. Big, huge monuments started built up. Like Sarnath is there. Sarnath is their capital city. Then Yakshani figures are also made in the form of statues and reliefs. In Lomesh Rishi caves, we find there Yakshani figures. They are doing their different types of works, different actions we are seeing there. Some animal carvings are also seen there. Terracotta sculptures are also done in Mauryan period. Look, Lomesh Rishi cave, where it is located. Lomesh Rishi cave. Friends, Lomesh Rishi caves were located at in Bihar Rajya. We found that different types of carvings are there, some sculptures are there, animal carvings especially we see there. Yakshani figures also included in Mauryan period. After that, Shunga period develops. In this period, stupas and tonas are developed. Sculpture also developed. Barhut Stup is a famous well-known stup. Shalbhanjika relief also famous. Then Mrugjatak tales means Mrugjatak kathas. are found in the relief form. Mrugjatak Kathas are related to Buddha's life, Buddha's history. Means this Katha tells about the incidents happening in Buddha's life. Then Vihar and Chaitya Gruha also carved that time. Vihar and Chaitya Gruhas are specially carved for gurus and their followers. This is the example of Chaitya and Vihar Guru, Karle and Bhaje. Karle and Bhaje villages are near to, we can say, this location is in Pune district. Now the next period, Kushan period. From Kushan period, we will see that schools are started. In the school, relief, then sculptures are studied there. Buddha's Nirvan or Nirvan of Buddha. This sculpture is very well known and is done at Mathura near Delhi. Then Gandha school, and in Mathura school, Ganesh statue is famous, and seated Buddha's statue at Katta we get. After that, Gupta period starts. Gupta period is called as a golden age of Indian culture. So this is the important period for our culture. In Gupta period, sculptures also developed, architecture also developed, writing art also starts. In sculpture art, standing Buddhas and paintings. We will see standing Buddha at Mathura, and we will found paintings of Ajanta. Means Ajanta caves are located in Aurangabad district. Various paintings are done there. Bodhisattva cave number 1 means many caves are there. So the first cave called as Bodhisattva, there many pictures are done, and Apsara's pictures are we see in 17 number cave. Architecture when developed, we see the Vishnu temple at Devghar. This is also a famous temple that time. After that, medieval period starts. Means our Indian culture starts from Indus civilization, then Mauryan, then Shrung, then Kushan, Gupta. In medieval period, we will study about Mughal period, then Rashtrakoot, Pallav, like this. So we will see it in the next period.